It is Thursday, July 16th, 12 o'clock. We just got out of the exoskeleton, took our first steps, and we have our first list of things to fix, which we'll start with a little bit of gait and positioning for the walking. And I've got a few things I need to adjust for the torso. The chest pad right here is rubbing a little bit on my breastbone, so I'll put a little padding in behind that. And we'll talk about a few changes we're going to make, get those in, and hop back over, start walking again. Looking back at every exoskeleton that we have tested so far, this is definitely the smoothest day one we've ever had. Definitely. It worked. Nothing broke while it worked. Everything did is exactly as we expected, with no hitches. So we just got information. Now we know the little things that we overlooked. And day one's always, there's 10 million things that we can change to tweak a little bit to get better. So we'll get that list taken care of, and then the list hopefully will get smaller as we go.
Just a little unstable because I'm having to, you know what I mean? Like the momentum